Okay, take 2. This is baking soda and vinegar now. Oh, shoot. Whoa. That was so cool. Whoa.
Mary, Mom needs a baking soda for baking right now.
Okay. It's right here.
It's a volcano, okay?
Yeah. Oh, it made purple. Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, it's coming out again. Man, I didn't expect it to go so nuts. Made it. Oh, fizz and bubble.
Soda?
Yeah, that was baking soda. Whoa. Oh! That was crazy. It's still coming. It's coming out a little purple. Can't quite see, but it's coming out a little bit purple. Like violet. Almost like a violet-y purple.
Is it got slow?
No. That's really weird. Must have been because there's still some citric acid in there. Oh, it turned it purple. It's like grape soda. Don't drink it though. It's not grape soda. You'll die if you drink it.
No,
Oh man, I still see it in there.
it'll burn my teeth.
Yeah, it'll burn your mouth and your teeth off. And then you'll die. Look at that. It's still bubbling in there. I'll try to zoom in. Look at that. That is so neat.
Smells like Coca-Cola.
No, it doesn't smell like Coca-Cola. You're wondering why it was blue. That's because I dyed it to see what it would look like when it came out. It was pretty cool. It turned the water purple like grape soda.
That's why I had to.
Well, I hope you enjoyed these experiments.